Yeah, so I heard you complaining, bro. And it got me thinking, what the fuck is in your head, bro? Why are you complaining? Instead of complaining, you could be working toward achieving something greater than that, toward getting rid of your problems, towards getting rid of that shit you're complaining about, or maybe fixing it, or maybe improving it so you will no longer have to complain about it. Or maybe if you can do it, but you always can, you're just not putting enough time and effort into finding the answer, how to fix it. That's your issue, bro. But like, listen, if you will be working hard, you can find a way, and you will find a way. Don't say it's not true. Are you working hard enough? Try harder. Anyway, so what I was trying to say, you're complaining about your life, but you're living in a city. You're living in one of the developed countries or some shit like that, bro. What the fuck are you complaining about? There's people in Africa. There's people in, I don't know, Asia or some of these places that are like fucked up countries, right? They're dying. Their parents are dying. Their fucking neighbors are dying because of war, because of fucking criminals and all this stupid shit. Their countries are fucked up. They're scared they might die any day. They have no water, they have no food, they have nothing. You have it all. Even if you just have a little bit of it. You have an ability to have it all. They don't! And you're complaining about your life, bro. What the fuck? They would literally die to have the kind of life you got. But yet you're complaining about it. Listen, I get it. You want a better life. But like, there's just one person who can make your life better, and that's you. So you really gotta start working toward your goals. Start small, get big. Yeah, but I get you, bro. It's hard, right? But that's for pussies. Listen, emotions. If you're being driven by emotions, if you act only when you feel like it, only when you're motivated, you're never going to succeed. You gotta be disciplined. And you know what discipline means? Doing what you fucking hate to do like you love it. But just doing the thing that you hate to do is enough to get you going, to build a momentum. Once you build a momentum is like when you're doing something you fucking hate doing for enough time, and that's not very long usually, right? That you just get a momentum. You're like, I know I'm gonna do this today. Yeah, I can do it now. I got a drive to do it now. You know, that's kind of a momentum. It's kind of like sort of a motivation, but it's not really motivation because you're still in discipline. But it's more fun. The pain is more enjoyable. That's momentum. Once you build a momentum, shit's easy. Getting a good life is easy. So, my friend, build that momentum. Go through the pain. And the thing is, emotions never killed anybody. You can be sad, depressed, bro. What the fuck? You can be angry. You can be whatever the fuck. Doesn't fucking matter. Do the work you have to do to get closer to your goals. I don't give a fuck how you feel. Do the work. You will not die. You won't die if you do the work. Like, if you're feeling sad as fuck, if you're feeling unmotivated as fuck, you will not die if you still go and do the work, right? Because you won't die because you're feeling sad. Maybe someone killed himself because he was feeling depressed or some shit, right? But that was not because he felt depressed. He didn't die because of depression. He died because of his actions. He went and killed himself. Because he was sad. Because he was acting on his emotions. And now if you're a strong man, you're not acting up on your emotion. You're being stoic. And all this stuff, man. In this case, you won't act up on your emotions. And in this case, you don't act up on your emotions, right? Then you're a stronger person. Then you get to achieve your goals. Then you get closer to your goals every fucking day. Start working. Stop complaining. And actually see some fucking positive future for yourself, bro. Just start gratitude journaling every fucking morning. Write 3 things you're grateful. And you will have a better life in like 1-2 weeks. You will see the world more positive. Try that shit out. And stop complaining and actually do something about it. You see, the time you're spending on complaining about something or some people, you could be spending on grinding. And like, listen, when you're complaining, you get nothing from this. When you're grinding, you have something from this. So what's better, to complain about shit or to work against a better life? I think it's this one, because this one brings you nothing, and this one gets you closer to, a better life. You might say, oh, complaining actually sometimes gives me motivation. Yeah, well, doing the fucking work doesn't get you motivation, but it gets you momentum. And with the momentum, you might get motivation too, because you're actually doing something. You're happy about your life. Here, you're not gonna be happy about your life. You might get some angry motivation. Yeah, you're acting up on your emotions. And then this goes away after 1 week and you're back on complaining and doing nothing with your life, hating your life. Well, while here, right, you were working 1 week, you didn't give a fuck how you feel. You just started working, you didn't complain because like, yeah, I don't like this stuff, but I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm gonna do something about it to get my life better. And now you just went and work. Working, starting to work is like the best thing you can do. You don't need motivation, just start working. Fuck motivation, start working. And then you will get momentum. And momentum shit is easy. And when the shit is easy, bro, if it's easy, if the pain towards getting to your goals is easy, then it's not hard to get to your goals and you will achieve them. However, there's one thing left you should know, and that is, let's say you're struggling to find what goal to work towards to. Maybe that one goal you're thinking about right now is making money. What business model to go into, what the fuck to do, right? What to do, how to make money. Nothing really feels right for you. Well, here's one thing. You maybe tried a lot of stuff, but you didn't know what the fuck to pick, right? And here's one thing. Like, imagine all the business models. Like, maybe there's some that you don't even know, but you can make them. You can make your own business model and connect it with something else to like make money. But like, think about this. If the business model you would go into would not make you any money, what the fuck would you pick? Like, let's say you already have money. You have all the free time. You're doing the fun things, but you're missing something. You want to do something like that would drive you, right? That would make your day fun. Besides having fun and partying, right? What the fuck would you do? That's one thing to think about. It's like, what business model would you work in, even though it would bring you no money? What the fuck would you do? Would you help people? Okay, I like helping people. Yeah, how the fuck do I make money from this, brother? Simple. Start selling courses. Start recording videos. Give help. Give advice online. You can earn money with that. Well, I'm paying. How the fuck do you get money from that, brother? You can literally like go to art events and stuff and start selling stuff there. There's a lot of ways. You just gotta find it. Find the thing you would suffer for. Find the thing you would suffer for and enjoy doing for the rest of your life, even though it would bring you no money. And start doing it. And remember to embrace the pain, brother. Adios.